Hi, today we're going to cover a couple ways we can improve our productivity, profits, and efficiency using webSAM. We're going to start here in our diary where we can see our workshop capacity across each day. Our workshop capacity is how many hours available we can charge out for our technicians each day. So as we add jobs, that capacity increases with the goal of hitting 100%. So how can we improve from here? Well, we could have our technicians work at over 100% efficiency. This would mean, for example, on a 1-hour job, they would do it in under an hour. Now, with the time saved per job, they would be able to fit in more jobs during the day, moving us past 100% capacity. So how do we track efficiency? Well, with webSAM, if your technicians are using time clocking, we can then go into our labor reporting and we can see each technician and get a breakdown. So we can see here we have a technician working at 100% efficiency, which is fantastic. And we can see that we have a couple of technicians lagging behind. We can use this to help those technicians improve with the goal of getting to 100% and then over 100% efficiency. But efficiency is not everything. Another metric I want to look at is paid productivity. Here we can see that our technician is only 7.74% paid productive. Our goal here would be to try and improve that so they're actually charging out more hours each day for what we're paying them for. But it doesn't just have to be a gotcha metric. You might have a technician who's looking to get a pay rise, and you could say if they reach a new certain level of paid productivity, they can get that pay rise. And that's just a couple ways we can use webSAM to improve our productivity, profits, and efficiency.